In this video, Pacific Domes will demonstrate how to build a 20-foot, 6-meter dome on a deck that was constructed from plans that we provide with our dome manual. These instructions can be applied to all our dome sizes. This is Elias. He will share useful tips and tricks learned from 25 years of dome installations. In fact, Elias was born in a dome. His mother Asha needed a shelter in time for Elias's birth in 1980. As a result, she made her first dome. Up until that point, she had been camped out under the redwood trees in Santa Cruz, California. This became the beginning of Pacific Domes as a company, and as they say, necessity is the mother of invention.